was just kidding, guys. Let's get back to the actual video now. Much better here. You can finally start your intro now.
Hello everyone and welcome to Celine's Kitchen where happiness is homemade. Today you must wondering who is this new face. She is my lovely, sweet and gorgeous daughter Shania. And she is the topper in UAE country for IGCSE Cambridge exam. So what's our plan today?
So Mama, today we are going to make the pit for the mandi. In Arabic it's called mandi and in Malayalam it's called kuri mandi. It's a very famous and popular dish in the Middle Eastern region, but now it's known all over the world. So Mama, what's the backstory to this?
During COVID-19, she was craving for mandi. Actually, mandi is her favorite, one of the favorite food.
Yes.
And everywhere it is locked down and it is shut. Restaurant was shut down. When I was chatting with my neighbor, who were the Emiratis, so I had a word with them, and they said they have the pit, and I can use their pit for cooking mandi.
Yeah.
And they explained us how to cook, how to prepare the mandi.
It turned out so good. We loved it.
Yes.
It was absolutely amazing.
Yes. Me and my daughter, we cooked there, and she enjoyed a lot, and she wanted to explore, like to her friends and to all of my viewers in YouTube.
Yes.
So she learned a lot during this COVID-19 situation, and I'm handing over to her. So
Thank you, Mom. So traditionally, slow cooking food underground is a primitive outdoor skill vital to the ancient lifestyle. Now, this cooking pit, earth oven, ground oven, it's the most simplest and most ancient cooking structure. So at its simplest, we dig a pit in the ground and we cover the wall and the floor with mud. This provides heat resistance to the pit. Once the mud dries, we have to light up using wood or reapers. In this case, we're going to use reapers. And once the flames die down, leaving the smoldering ember, the cooking process starts. And the food turns out so smoky and so flavorful. It's one of the best to have, and one that you cannot really experience in the kitchen, because the joy of putting in efforts and making this delicious food is just a feeling that we can't really express. In this date and time, everything has modernized so much that elements of the traditional way of cooking or living is somewhat lost. But this COVID-19 has given us the opportunity to rediscover all these things. So in this situation, this mom and daughter duo are going to explore the traditional, natural and primitive way of cooking mandi, that is using the pit here in Dubai.
yes.
And my mom and I have researched a lot, and we found out that there's this firm in Al Dail, and we contacted them, and they said that they can give us the mud and the straw that we need for the pit. So we'll be heading there, and we'll be vlogging the entire journey. So come along, you will not be bored, you will have a lot of fun, and in Mama style. So let's start now.
You're copying me. So let's start.
So here's a little update from me. Actually, while editing the video, I realized that since we wanted the video to be as informative as possible, the video was a little too long. So we have decided to split the video into two sections. This video is day one of the vlog, wherein we are collecting all the things needed for the pit. And the next video is going to be day two of the vlog, wherein we are creating the pit for the mandi. Now we are going to upload both the videos on the same day, and to check the day 2 video, please click the link in the description box below. Both the videos are super informative and super interesting, so please do watch both the videos. And signing off now, bye. So now we are going to leave the house and start our journey. Bye.
Bye, Puppy. We're going to come soon. Eat and drink water, okay? We're coming, okay? Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Bobby. Bye, guys.
Hi, darling. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Bye.
Hello everyone.
Hi, everyone.
So we are now heading to Aldeigh, which is 45 to 50 minutes journey from Dubai to Aldeigh to bring the mud. And here's our journey from Dubai to Aldeigh.
I'm driving and my daughter is recording the journey.
Yes.
Dubai today.
On our way to Aldeigh. So we are now crossing the Sharjah International Airport Road. This road is surrounded by palm trees. We have come to a stop at the petrol station. We're gonna refill and then head back to our journey. And that's the Sharjah International Airport.
So I'm so excited.
Yeah.
This my daughter's wish to be have authentic traditional way of cooking at home. So I said okay.
We have our GPS ready too, and showing around 40 minutes, and we'll be there.
We both are really enjoying our long journey for bringing mud from Date. But the outside is very hot.
Yeah, it
And
is.
dunes,
It's
you can see this side dunes. Yeah, on my left hand side. It's 120 kilometer per hour road, but I'm driving. Its maximum speed limit is 140. So we both are enjoying. All right.
Aldeigh Road.
We reached Aldeigh.
Yep. And now in 800 meters our destination will be on the right.
Yay, we are nearby.
Yes.
Your destination is on the right.
Finally we reached our destination. inside and show you a tour of how the pots are made, which mud pots are used, which clays are used, how they're used, and all of that. Oh, but first, our masks.
Since I want to share a lot of information with you about this pottery works, it will make the video very long. So I will share all the details with you all in the upcoming videos.
So this is actually where they make the tiny pot. It's a process of doing all the pots and all. Yeah. So they need the mud. All the process is already done.
Yes.
You can see this all in India, but to experience my daughter, she can experience it. So this is how they make the pot. Now they are doing the biryani pot. Yeah. Okay, and it's ready within a minute. Yeah, it was really quick actually. I was expecting it to be maybe a couple of minutes, but it was quick. And whoever staying in Dubai and you want to experience your children, you can bring your children here. Al Fakir Pottery in Al Deir. It's so soft. So soon. Yeah. See, my daughter is. They are teaching my daughter. Push. Oh. This is the owner of the company. He is Mr. Joseph, and he is so cooperative. He waited for us only. It is so hot here, but he is waiting for us only. This is so much fun. I think I can do this all day. So I'll bring one 6 o'clock in the morning and I'll leave her here. I can do this all day. Yay, my daughter. My daughter. Yes. See, my daughter did it first. Yay! This was so much fun. Circle turn. Finish. हाँ. Finally, her pot is ready.
The first time I have done something using pottery, and it was really fun. And look, it's so cute. It's so cute, and yay, I did it.
It's in Dubai. It's in there.
Now that too in Dubai, so it was a really fun experience.
In Kannada, one they say that kai kesaradre bai mosaru. So finally, my daughter did one pot, small pot.
It's so cute, and the end result came out perfect. So yay!
She's coming out, and she's full of mud.
Yeah, I'm going to just wash.
This is a kiln.
Ooh, here's another interesting thing. So this is basically where they get clean clay or clean mud. So soft. So now they're teaching us the process, how to mix the mud and the straw together, and then how to seal if you're using these bricks, how to seal it.
So we took a lot of things.
Couple of mud, some sand, and some tiny cute pots.
So finally, we are done at our first destination at Al Fakir Pottery Works. This is one of the first time I've been to a pottery workplace, and it was one of the best experiences. I completely enjoyed.
Yes, she's the one enjoyed a lot.
Yeah.
And she likes to play in the mud when she was small. I want to tell you one thing, because my mom used to bring mud from India to Dubai to only to play her.
Yeah.
She used to wash the mud, and after that she will dry in the sun, and she will pack it, and she will bring from India to Dubai only to play her. So today she enjoyed a lot, and she
Made a pot also.
Yeah, she made a pot.
Yeah.
And it was a good experience, and
We had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So hope you all had too watching this. We are gonna head back home now. Heading back home.
So now we are heading back home, and we've made it to Dubai. And oh look, it's Burj Khalifa right there. Wait, Mom, look! Our video is playing there.
Where? Near Burj Khalifa.
Yep.
See, Mom, our video. Where? Good that we have taken this road to go home.
Yeah. Look, I guess we'll have to find out what the video is about.
I'm so happy to see my video running in the billboard near the Burj Khalifa.
Good thing we've stopped at the red light. Let's watch the video now.
Wait. Wow, it's right near the Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, look.
Hi guys, enjoy this video.
Yes.
every time we come here, never ceases to stop sparkling. The view is spectacular. All the trees are shimmering and shining. It's always been like this, but every time we come here, it's always so mesmerizing. So Dubai Mall is actually on our left hand side. So guys, have a look. Yeah, and enjoy the view ahead. I'm gonna make sure to capture all of these beautiful views so that you all can enjoy. And this is the largest mall in the world, the Dubai Mall. Here's the closest view of Burj Khalifa. We're heading home, but captured this beautiful, beautiful view for you all guys. Surprises after surprises, even your name on the Burj Khalifa. Oh, it's Smart Celine's Kitchen on the Burj Khalifa. Yeah. Wow. This is lovely. How happy are you? I'm so happy. So I'm gonna take a closer view of your name on Burj Khalifa. See you in a bit. Come soon. Hey guys, look at that. Anyway, we were on this street, so we thought of shooting and clicking a video of ourselves next to the Burj Khalifa. Bye bye. Heading straight home now. Finally, we have arrived. Alhamdulillah. Yes. Finally. Now see our cat Pupu's reaction. He's going to ask us, where did you all go?
Oh, he knows.
He knows already. Hi Puppy. Hi Puppy. Hi. Hi. We missed you.
Don't touch.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
What happened?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. What happened? Oh,
Sorry, we were late.
okay. No touching. After taking bati, okay? Okay.
You want to go my
Where?
bedroom?
Where do you want to go?
Where you want to go?
Where?
Want to go here?
Oh.
So we have finally arrived back home and we have all our things from Aldate, the mud, the straw, and we are all set to start our digging process from tomorrow. So bye guys, day one complete.
Day one complete.
Now our cat is crying, so we're gonna go to him. Bye.
Bye.
And the board next to the Dubai Mall. Look.
Yeah.
Look. We're on the board next to the Dubai Mall.
If you like my videos, please click on this subscribe button and click on this bell icon so that you never miss out on my videos.